Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to plot the graph of y equals to the absolute value of sine x. First of all, we need to get the calculator into degrees mode. So press 5 and press shift, menu which gives you setup, and you scroll down to angle and select F1, which means degrees. The calculator is now in degree mode. Press execute, come out of that, and you want to enter y equals to sine, absolute value of sine x. To get the absolute sine, you would go into option, F5 choosing this probability, and F1 choosing absolute, and you would type, press sine and press x and press execute twice. And another important thing to remember is when you press F3V Windows, make sure it is set from -360 to 360, and the minimum is y minimum is from -1 and the maximum is 1, and that will gives you the graph which is part B. So when you press execute, that gives you the graph of y equals to the absolute value of sine x. I hope that helps. Thank you very much for listening.